Adjustable children's roller skates feature an easy push-button with adjustable sizing to accommodate growing feet. Durable and fun design. Reinforced figure-style boot with durable synthetic leather construction showcases a creative crushed pineapple print any girl or boy is sure to love. Indoor and outdoor use. 54 mm smooth rolling urethane wheels with ABEC1 sealed bearings allow for indoor rink or outdoor use. Safety first. Dual front brakes make for easy stopping whether your little one is a beginner or a pro. Great for all ages. Accommodate U.S. girl sizes 3 to 7 and a max weight capacity of 125 pounds for kids 3 years old and up. Top reviews from the United States. A little big. I bought these for my daughter who is a size 13 U.S. shoe. The size range is supposed to go down to 12 US, but these are too big for her at the smallest setting. Right now she can wear thick socks to make sure they're comfortable to skate, but if your child wears a 12, these will be much too large to use until they grow into them. Otherwise a great quality skate and one of the better values I found when searching. She loves them and will be able to wear them for a few years at least.